Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court has asked the competent authority to decide the question of sanction against former Railway Minister Lalu Prasad Yadav and other public servants within 2 weeks. The conclusive charge sheet has been filed by CBI, is in fact at the stage of consideration. My colleague Ayush is with us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Ayush, take our viewers through the latest developments and details that are coming in at this point of time.
Well, yes, this case was going on, filed by the CBI against the former Chief Minister of Bihar, Lalu Prasad Yadav, against this land for job scam. However, the proceeding has been scheduled for next date as of now. But the thing is that this case was going on since a very long time, and there were many people who were feeling that they were misused by the government, that they were cheated by the government. They were alleging about this case. However, in this case, Lalu Yadav was did not appear physically in front of the court.
Okay, all right. Ayush, thanks for joining us on the broadcast, sharing all those details with our viewers. We leave it there and we shift our focus to some more breaking news coming in. Tihar Jail has released data on Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's weight measurement during his time in jail. As per the data, Kejriwal is suffering from weight loss and episodes of hypoglycemia. Now, Sanjay Singh has reacted to this report and emphasized that releasing a patient's personal health report is an offence. Let's in fact listen into what he said.
पहली बात तो किसी भी मरीज की मेडिकल रिपोर्ट जारी करना ये एक अपराध है और एक मुख्यमंत्री की मेडिकल रिपोर्ट एक नहीं कई बार जेल प्रशासन जारी कर चुका। आप ये साबित कर रहे हैं कि आप अरविंद केजरीवाल की जिंदगी के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं, उनके जीवन के लिए, उनके जीवन के साथ खिलवाड़ करने के लिए गहरी साजिश रच रहे हैं। ये इस बात का हिस्सा है क्योंकि मुख्यमंत्री तो छोड़िए, किसी भी मरीज की मेडिकल रिपोर्ट जेल प्रशासन सार्वजनिक नहीं कर सकता जेल नियमों और कानून के मुताबिक। तो पहली बात तो इस पे कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। दूसरी बात, चलो अपराध किया, चलो आपने जारी कर दिया मेडिकल रिपोर्ट, मैं तो कहता हूं हमारे हक में अच्छा हुआ। लोग जानेंगे तो देश के लोग, ये है मेडिकल रिपोर्ट जिसमें एम्स के डॉक्टरों ने जांच की अरविंद केजरीवाल की, और उस एम्स के डॉक्टरों की टीम ने बताया कि उनको वेट लॉस की भी समस्या है, यानी कि उनका वजन कम हो रहा है, और दूसरा हाइपोग्लिसेमिया की कई बार उनके साथ घटना हुई है। उनका वजन, हाइपोग्लिसेमिया के वो शिकार हैं, उनका वजन 50 से उनका शुगर लेवल 50 से नीचे 5 बार आया है। ये कोई सामान्य बात नहीं है, ये कोई सामान्य घटना नहीं है। इसलिए मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि ये मामला सिर्फ गिरफ्तारी तक नहीं है, ये मामला अरविंद केजरीवाल की जिंदगी के साथ खिलवाड़ है। ये मामला अरविंद केजरीवाल को किसी भी हालत में प्रताड़ित करने और उनके जीवन के साथ कोई बड़ी अनहोनी घटना करने की साजिश का हिस्सा है।
Shubrana on the telecast with me. Shubh, of course, we've heard what Sanjay Singh has had to say as far as the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's health reports are concerned. He said that it's personal and should not be released and be there out in the open. How? What is the latest that's coming in at this point of time? How is the Aam Aadmi Party reacting?
Yes, definitely, because Aam Aadmi Party in one voice have been claiming that there have been sudden weight loss of the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, because Aam Aadmi Party have been claiming that when Arvind Kejriwal went to jail on the March of 21, his weight was 70 kilograms, but now his weight is 62.5 kilograms. And let me tell our viewers that only Sunita Kejriwal is allowed to meet the CM Arvind Kejriwal. Thereby, Sanjay Singh have also mentioned that on the claims of Sunita Kejriwal, they have been saying in all one voice that Arvind Kejriwal has been losing weight, and also Minister Atishi have a day before claimed that his sugar level is constantly dropping down, and 5 times Arvind Kejriwal's sugar level have dropped below the range of 50, which is very alarming, due to which the minister can have a brain stroke or he can come in coma. Therefore, today Tihar Jail's report have been claiming that there is not as much much as sudden weight loss, which Aam Aadmi Party have been claiming. They have been, the Tihar jail report has been saying that it's from 65 to 62. Arvind Kejriwal, yes, have lost weight, but not as much, which is claimed by the Aam Aadmi Party. But therefore, Aam Aadmi Party, they have been saying that it is not good to release the reports of the CM, and the reports are made public. And they have been saying that this is the Bharatiya Janata Party, the central government, who have been trying to play with the life of the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.